Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys something a little bit newer, something a little bit more interesting uh, to some people. But today I'm here to show you something called Scratch. Now this is a visual-based programming language. This is just this is an online and offline. It was made by MIT and stuff. And it's a visual snapping language that you can do kind of cool stuff with. Now, the things that you can do is one thing is 3D. There's actually 3D games that you've done in this. This was actually made in a Adobe Flash. So it is kind of cool, and that's actually somebody else online right there. Now, if you keep on going, there's also some other cool games like 2D games. These were both made by the same people, Griff Patch, who is, I believe, probably the biggest, if not the biggest, person in Scratch. And probably most well known for some of these projects. Now, right here is an OS I've been working on. This is kind of the main things is WBB OS. This is version 46. The most recent version that was ever released was version 35. And if I just go inside and see this one, what you see here is a nice, clean look to it all. I tried to make it a little bit more look kind of nicer than the previous one. I made sure that almost no curves were perfectly curved. It was all kind of jagged to make sure. I don't know, I just personally like that type of look. Then you got a cool drawer thing, which is one of the biggest features. Music. Settings. You can choose your own background. Then you got your own cool, like control the sidebar, info, and a calculator, which is actually very new. It actually works, and it's much better than the previous one. Message stuff. And then when I compare it to version 45 or 35, excuse me. You'll notice that isn't as smooth. It's also, everything's very square. That's square. The icons were originated on here. Now there was a calculator, but if limit reached over the amount, it would just do that. So let's say if I did 12 times, I don't know, a really, really, really big number. Let's just do something like that. Plus, it would, okay. Well, pretty much if that goes over the number, it just turns 0. The music, again, didn't really change. Settings, now this is a little bit different than before. You might see a little selector thing, and you can click on which background you want. So I set it to that background. Here are the stuff for the settings. Now the settings look a little bit different, a little bit cleaner. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.